Hello dear learners, I'm Christina Georgy and I welcome you to my channel. Today's topic for discussion is quite an interesting and relatable one. An introduction to literature and ecology. So firstly, let's have a look at what exactly is environment. So this very term is derived from the French word environner, which means neighborhood. Environment could be defined as a system that provides natural surroundings for the existence of organisms such as humans and animals. As you know, the environment is the sum total of biotic and abiotic aspects of life. What are the biotic components? It includes organisms, whereas the abiotic components include atmosphere, water, energy, minerals, etc. Moving on to another related aspect, ecology. What is ecology? Ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relations of organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. It is the study of the relationships between living organisms, including humans and their physical environment. Moving on to literature and ecology. How are they related? Let's have a look at that. Literature and environmental studies, these are commonly called ecocriticism or environmental criticism. So let's have a look at ecocriticism. Ecocriticism emerged as a study of the relationship between literature and the natural environment. It is concerned with nature writing and ecological themes. What do you mean by that? Those writings in which nature and related themes are represented could be considered as nature writings. So what are the duties of the eco-critics? These critiques pay attention on the analysis of the strong relationship or bond between the nature and society. We already discussed literary criticism in another video. Please find the link in the description. Moving on to another related aspect, which is ecofeminism. Ecofeminism is also called ecological feminism. It is a branch of feminism that examines the connections between women and nature. What do you mean by feminism? Feminism is the belief in full social, economic and political equality for women. There are different types of feminism. We will discuss all these in details in our upcoming videos on literary criticism. Nevertheless, do you know who coined this term ecofeminism? It was the French feminist Francois d'Eybon in the year 1974. Moving on, ecofeminism is both an ecological philosophy and a social movement that draws on environmental studies, critiques of modernity and science, and also feminist critical analysis and activism to explicate connections between women and nature and the implications of these relationships for environmental politics. To put short, this philosophy emphasizes the ways both women and nature are treated by the patriarchal society. What do you mean by the term patriarchal? It simply means male dominated. Patriarchal society refers to male dominated society indeed. Moving on. One notable example for the same is the Chipko Antholon movement in India. It is a forest conservation movement that was led by indigenous women who were affected the most by the rapid deforestation in the 1970s. So here some words might sound unfamiliar to you, such as indigenous or deforestation, etc. Indigenous refers to the native. Indigenous women refers to native women, whereas this term deforestation refers to the action of clearing a wide area of trees. Moving on. So if you look at the syllabus, especially the MA syllabus across the universities in Kerala and India, you may find this literature and ecology paper. Why do you think they have incorporated such a paper? It's simply because such a study based on literature and ecology would direct the learners into a new focus of literature that would help to make the learners understand the relationship of literature with the issues of nature. Therefore, literature and ecology deals with nature issues and the writers concerned for nature. Writings that represent ecological concerns have been there in all the different genres such as poetry, prose, drama, etc. If we look at poetry, To Nature by Coleridge or Casuarina Tree by Thoreau, Dutt, etc. are examples. When it comes to prose, Margaret Atwood's Survival, etc. So that's all for this video lecture. We'll meet again soon with yet another interesting topic. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, take care, and thanks for watching.